Brayden, is it almost your birthday?
Right.
How old are you going to be?
Diego?
You're going to wear a Diego hat?
No. Mama.
Spider-Man one?
Yeah?
Not Diego?
No. Yeah?
What kind of hat are you going to wear, Ariana?
Diego?
Ariana, what are you going to wear?
Da?
Dora? A Dora hat?
Papa?
SpongeBob?
No.
No? Can you sing happy birthday?
Mom. I got.
Is that your pretties?
Happy birthday